How can you choose the best flooring option for your basement?
Hello, I'm Sebastian, and today I'm going to help you choose your basement flooring. Basements are one of the trickier places to choose flooring for because they're moisture-prone, humid areas below ground level. The first thing to do when picking flooring for your basement is to make sure it's moisture resistant. This usually eliminates hardwood or even laminate tile from the options. But moisture-resistant treatments are possible for some tiles, so be sure to ask if your heart is set on one. You'll also want to make sure the flooring you choose isn't porous. If a tile lets too much moisture through, then you may acquire a lot of unwanted mold or mildew growth in those little spaces. To curb this issue, you can add vapor barriers like sheet plastic, seal a concrete floor with epoxy, add a waterproof subfloor, or use tiles that come with their own plastic layers. You also need to consider the condition of the concrete you'll be laying tile over. Ceramic flooring, for instance, can only go over concrete if it's completely smooth and crack-free. Most vinyl tiles can be laid over concrete without issue, and they're available in varied designs that mimic materials like stone or hardwood. Engineered wood floors are another option that could be ideal for some basements, combining the strength of laminate and wood while minimizing the drawbacks. You're welcome to visit the Chestnut Flooring showroom to see many examples of beautiful flooring for basements and other below-grade locations. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe for more advice about choosing flooring and other tips.